everyone, I'm going to show you how to upload your PowerPoint or your Google Slide when you're done. So you go to Assignments. You're going to go to What You Need to Know About Me. You hit Submit Assignment. We're not going to choose a file because it's not on your computer. We're going to go to Google Drive. It should be connected to your student drive. Let's see if it'll show up. It's not available. Okay, so you'll go to Google Drive. You click on your email. You're going to go to Select Your Files. It'll pop up another window. You will choose your PowerPoint and you'll hit Add. Attach. Sorry about the baby. And now once you see this with the PPTX at the end, your file is there. If you have any comments for us, you'll hit that and then you'll hit Submit Assignment. And that's how you will submit your assignments to us. Please make sure you're checking your assignment against the rubric. Alright, thank you. Bye.